Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Fluxer on Windows in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First off, go ahead and open any browser and then you want to search for Fluxer. Next, you want to click on this official link, which is fluxer.app. Click this. And on their website, you'll see this option to download for Windows. You want to click this option to choose which one is applicable to you. And click download for Windows. As you can see at the top, it's now downloading. So let's just wait for this for a bit. All right, once done, simply click the launcher. Choose Run to start installing. Let's wait for this for a bit. And as soon as you see this, it means that Fluxer is now installing. And now it's connecting. And just like that, you now have Fluxer on your Windows. That's it. Now you know how to install Fluxer on Windows in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!